Welcome everyone to another video. In this video I will show you how to install VirtualBox guest editions on Windows operating system. So let's get started. First, to install VirtualBox guest editions on the Windows operating system, we go to the Devices menu and select Insert Guest Edition CD image. In File Explorer, navigate to the CD drive folder and launch the VBox Windows Edition application. Then click Yes, Next, and finally Install to complete the process. After rebooting, enter your password and log in. The installation of VirtualBox guest editions is complete. Now, click on the View menu Virtual Screen to resize your screen resolution. Select Auto Resize Guest Display, which will automatically adjust the virtual screen display to match your host display screen. For full screen, go to View, select Full Screen Mode, and it will be full screen. You may undo full screen by going to the bottom menu, selecting View, and clicking Full Screen. It will be set back to the display screen. This concludes the video. If you like this video, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share it.